Hello guys, today we are going to write a program which will ask for numbers so long until user inserts 0. Okay, we are going to use while loop and that's it. Okay, let's do this. First of all, we are going to need first variable, and that's going to be int number, let's say. And then let's write insert number. Okay, good. Like this, yes, and same number, good. And now let's give this all in while loop, and like this, and let's say number not the same 0. Okay, so we are going to ask so long for this number until it's the same 0. Okay, like this, and let's erase. Good. So let's see if this works. It should. And let's see. This computer. Okay, here we go. Like this. And insert number. Let's say 5, 4, 2, 3. Like this. We can go this all day long, like this. And let's say 0. And program finishes. Good. So this works. And let's do one more task. And let's say we are going to calculate sum of this number we insert. Okay. So let's say int sum. Yes. And let's say sum is the same sum plus number. Good. Like this. And let this count on the screen. Sum is and sum like this. Good. And that's it. Let's calculate and see if this compile and see if this works. And okay, good. Wait. Okay, let's say we're going to insert 5s. Okay, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. So it's like 30 now. 35, 40. Let's say insert 0. Okay, wait, 0. Okay. Why did this happen? If you didn't watch previous videos and this happened before, and this happened because I didn't say on the beginning when I declare sum that it's the same 0. And if I didn't do that, program will save the space for this sum, and I don't know, it's going to save 100. I don't know, it's going to pick random number, and if I just say it's the same 0, it's going to start with 0. Okay, and if I don't say, it's going to pick random number and it's going to start with a random number. Okay, let's do this again and let's see now if this works. It should. Now it's everything as it should be. And let's see. Okay, let's go again. 5, 5, 20, and 5, 30, 25, 40. Okay, let's see. 0. Sum is 40. Okay, this is it, and thanks for watching. And subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and if you like this video, like it and share it to the others. Thank you.